Who's this dude? Who's this dude? Give us a look at that slushy.
Baked beans and cactus, baby!
Fucking Fast and Furious over here.
Shout out Joey does fucking reels. He's at Tuff Streeters running amok.
Oh, he's caught. He's caught.
Get it, girls!
Alright, so we just got here and there's about 100 cars in front and it's only 11:15, so the gates have been open for 15 minutes. Get it, boys! Alright, let's lock her up. Got in. What are these, lawnmowers?
Yeah. Cut the grass. Second car, that one.
Which one?
That one there. Barra Turbo. You know Nathan? Nathan,
Buckley?
Nah.
The footy player. Is it actually? Yeah. 8 seconds.
8-second pass.
This is exactly what I would do. That's nuts.
Crazy.
Just that in the Devil Yellow would be absolute goals. It is scorching hot.
That's bad.
That's sick. Oh yeah, you got Slurpees.
That's it.
Oh, you get the first one, I'll get the next one.
Don't do it, brother. What colour? Can I get a mix, please? Mixed kebab? No, I'm joking. Mixed Slurpee?
I used to own a kebab shop.
Did ya?
So I'm thinking,
I'm just shit stirring now.
It's a dickhead.
no, seriously, I did for 17 years.
Yeah, there you go.
Cheers, bro. Come on, sit.
Sick cunts, sick cunts. Come look at the truck, brother. Tringali Racing, what do you reckon?
Pretty good.
Woo! Do reels. Who's this dude? Who's this dude? Let's
Famous.
interview. What's his name?
Joey.
Joey. How are you,
Does
Joey?
reels.
Joey.
Oh, Joey.
And I'm Joey.
Oh, Joey and Joey. So what are we thinking about today, Joey?
Yeah, it's good. It's
Love and
good.
life?
Pretty good,
Yeah.
Love and
I'll
life.
be your new spokesperson for
Done
the day.
deal.
Come get me anytime.
What's your
now.
name?
Will
I'm
do.
Justin from Tringali Super Truck Racing. Have a look. Come down, get some merch. Have a good day.
Sit.
Good to meet you, brother.
Have a good day.
That's all what it's about, brother.
Thank you.
Give us a look at that slushy.
So if you want to see
That's mini Moab, mate.
That's pretty cool.
Have a look on
It's
your
actually-
itinerary. There's a map.
It's like a
tells you
hobby
how
level
to get
RC
up there.
crawler, so I don't
Tells
wanna
you
tell you
to
how
get up
much
on
it's
the hill
worth,
So you
but,
can have a look and it
they're not
tells you
cheap.
I traded for it, but if you were to buy this brand new, they're almost $1,000. It's like full 4-link articulating suspension, like it's even got it's got this function where like I can lock the rear wheels and then it can turn on the spot, like so it's like really kitted out. Yeah.
The
whole way.
If you don't
It was
know
just
what we
getting the
do,
back
we give
tyres
away
on.
cars, and some of the cars we're giving away
That's
are sitting
even
here in front of the main stage.
decent
You
like
can see
that.
that we've got up there. We advise that we could be ringing the news.
That's alright, huh?
That's mad.
Good. Oh, look at this thing. How you going, Darcy?
Oh,
What are you doing, brother?
brings back memories.
It's only been 2 weeks. Back again.
Does a wheelie.
Yeah, the wheelies.
All he has to do is
He's leaning back.
60 grand? Oh, it's pocket change.
I'll go pull it out now, Zeb.
Polo to the flow though. You already know though. Now it's Adam here for real. You see it, how just take a photo. Also at the temple.
Get a boo.
Good boy.
You know it. It's like Levo Micah here. You know every cunt. Smell so lucky, bro.
Let's go, Ned does.
We're in, brother.
You want baked beans? Baked beans and cactus, baby! Yeah!
What are you filming for?
Bit of YouTube, bit of Instagram, bit of everything.
Beautiful, enjoy guys. See ya.
Cheers, brother!
Hello. Have you got a VIP card? Welcome to Australia.
We're professionals, but where are we, Joey?
VIP. Thanks again, ladies.
Have a great day.
Once again, Joey does reels. Go down the hill as fast as you can, Zeb.
See, this is
see
what kind of mate I have.
Let's see how.
He's gonna send me down a death trap. But considering that this is 15 minutes from home,
It's well worth it.
well worth it. We'll be coming every year. Tuff Streeters Festival. The rain is coming.
Something coming.
I don't know.
What's happening?
All
I
good?
don't know how you noticed me from so far away.
Hi, John.
How
How are you, brother?
you doing? How you going, alright?
I'm surprised you noticed us.
I heard someone whistling.
Hear the whistle?
And I was like, whistling again? And then I look up and it's just like 2 years.
2 zops.
Yeah. Oh, this car's from Mexico.
Is that?
Yeah.
Serious?
Yep. This is all hand done, yeah?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I saw this car at another car show.
That's crazy stuff.
Do you know how much these cost?
And then just to
Yeah,
clear
you were saying the other day.
what the covers.
This is out of one wheel and it's been cut.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to cut it.
You've given him all of our firepower, Commissioner. There we go. We got him. I'm releasing him in your custody, mate. You watch this one, all right?
Just out there tall.
Go find Ryan, eh?
Where's Roy?
JoeyDoesReels.
Yeah. There he is.
Here we go.
What's going on, brother?
Oh, Zeb.
Oh, what's going on?
Hey, vlog. How you going?
We're reunited.
Tuff Streeters, mate. Bringing it back, mate. Bringing it back.
Bring it back.
Ascot Racing, mate. Ascot Racing. I know. A mate of mine's business. He's got Ascot bins, but Ascot Racing.
I know.
Yeah. Usually his garage. His name's Vlad. Next one. Hard rated.
Thanks for the ticket, brother.
No problem, brother. Happy birthday, mate. Story, man. We'll get fun later. That's it.
Oh, there he is.
Cactus and baked beans is back in still!
Who the fuck's that guy?
That's Cactus, mate.
Chap laps.
Awesome, yeah! We're fucking here. What can you say? Look at the crowd. Look at the cars. It's fucking going off here. Let's get it. Shout out Joey Does Fucking Reels. He's at Tuff Streeters running amok. So am I. Let's get it. Whoa!
Snapper, alright. Get a girl!
Everyone looks at it and wants to be like involved. I was telling Dad, he goes, shit, I know, I can see it. That was thanks to Joey again.
That was pretty good.
That was like,
You're alright behind it.
Hey, how'd you get out?
come for a drink?
Yeah, we're going to line up after.
Yeah, we'll
The queue's back there.
The Beamer, what?
They're quick, man. They're fucking quick cars. Fucking Fast and Furious over here.
Oh, it smells good.
Four rims for $1,000.
That is cheap.
No way.
$1,000.
That's cheap as fuck. No, I was getting some from Subaru, but
Don't spend the money.
there's like real tattoos going on here.
It is. Looking at some nuts.
What's going on here?
It's coffee time.
Coffee then beers again.
Coffee then beers.
What are we getting? Coffees?
You're around, mate.
Hey, you got to pick up, yeah?
Coffee acquired. Yeah, the boys!
Oh, he's caught. He's caught.
Hold on. You right, brother? I thought he was going to rip a nutsack.
Oh, that would have been horrible. Hang in there.
So next year, Dean, it'll be up there, a gazebo. Joey does reels.
Gazebo. People everywhere, mate. And Joey Does Reels is coming, and
I know.
fucking, they were like, "Oh, we got to be on camera." Media team, go through, please. That's it, mate. Sparksy 9:15, mate. Let's go.
What's the time?
8:30. 2.5, 3 hours to go, so
It'll go quick, eh?
it will go quick. The day's already gone quick.
Wanna be it, wanna feel it, rage, power, weakest, falls, money, driven, major, fraud, breathless, body, diamond, bones, wanna be it, wanna feel it.
Vlog.
I knew that was coming. Are we still doing it?
Yeah, we're jumping. We're mosh pitting it.
Mosh putting it?
Yeah. That's it. That's the word.
Let's go.
Did you say something? What?
Absolutely nothing.
Alright, what about you?
He's got lots to say, not me. I got nothing. Hablo español.
Cheers!
1, 2, 3, Joey does reels.
And that is Tuff Streeters 2026. Here comes trouble.